to be able to organise either a performance or a singing group, it was just a given that you'd be able to do that and so that there'd be some form of income. The one thing you'd always guaranteed on as a form of income has gone. That is overwhelmingly stressful and scary. I am Gemma Outten. I used to be a community musician and singer, and now I am a volunteer with Ealing COVID Mutual Aid, which also grew into a community interest company called Ealing Community Aid, and I'm one of the directors of that. I am a mother of 3. I've got 2 sons who are in their 20s and a little girl who's going to be 11 just after Christmas. So since I've become a volunteer, a typical day would be checking up on any actions or organisations that are ongoing. So that's generally a billion WhatsApp messages, a billion emails. I don't sit down very much. I tend to wake up and I spend a lot of my time on my feet. We are working really busily to identify low-income families. So each family itself has got different food package that we made for them. Right now, I've just got another message from someone about a family of 5 who've got, I think they've been made homeless, so they've got no food. We were all in that situation where none of us knew what the next day was going to hold. The hardest challenge about this whole experience has been to have restrictions on the normal interactions. To not be able to hug your own mother is just horrible. That's tough. I'm okay because I can hug my daughter, but my mum can't, and it's sad. And she still has lots of children who can ring her up every day or take her shopping, and if she forgets something on her shopping list, someone can do it the next day. The idea that she wouldn't have that is painful, and I know that those people exist.
When was the last time you did something for yourself?
Does having a hot bath count? Because I've had hot baths. God, I'm trying to think. I actually am trying to think of the last thing I did for myself. Other than the normal things that people do for themselves, and I can't really think. So doing this initiative with you today, where I'm being spoiled, it's completely out of left field, and I'm very, very touched, very excited. I felt really, really boosted to even have been anywhere near considered for such a wonderful treat. Of course, I like all women, I like looking nice or making the most out of my appearance, but oh, it's become so secondary, it almost becomes irrelevant. I've been nominated for a Pamper Day with Daniel Galvin Jr and team, courtesy of All Things Hair. I have had the same hairstyle since I was about 15.
I'm Daniel Galvin Jr, 4th generation family dynasty of hairdressers. Now's the time for me and All Things Hair to give something back to Gemma. We're going to give her a real makeover, from hair spa treatments, hair colour and a style. We're going to really put a spring in her stride. Wow, it's really taken its toll through lockdown and through all your busy work. What we're going to do today is put back into your hair what everyday living through the COVID lockdown and all the hard work has taken out of it. What's going on with Gemma right now with her hair being over-processed? It's too blonde for her. She's got a regrowth, she's got grey in her hair, it's draining her skin, making her eyes look weaker. Once we've replenished the condition of her hair using wonderful, deep, intensive treatments, she's going to be transformed. Right, Gemma, we've applied the first process, which was a conditioning treatment, which we put under the steam. And as you can see, immediately, the shine that it's put back in your hair. I'm going to turn you back into a real sun-kissed babe today.
I can't wait.
OK, should we get cracking?
Yes, please.
This is a great opportunity at this time of year to really nurture and embrace your hair condition. and using amazing treatments, hair masks and shampoos, particularly during lockdown and time when you're at home, gives you that opportunity to rehydrate, replenish, getting your hair ready for 2021. She's incredible. It's class. It's naturally beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Gemma, how do you feel?
Amazing.
Give me your hand. I want you to have a look at, have a little swirl. Look at that. You look amazing.
Thank you.